Hello everybody, I'm Death and I Do Things, and today I'm actually going to be showing you how to do amazing thumbnails. And what better way to do that than improving my own thumbnails, which by the way suck, and explaining my thought process. Because then you get to see what goes through my head when I make good thumbnails. Yay! Alright, so as you can see, this thumbnail sucks, and I'm going to improve it. So, first step is to find a turtle picture online to tell the viewers what the video is about. And also, it has a pretty good color scheme. Blue is one of the best colors because it sticks out in both light and dark mode. So, yeah, I think I found a pretty good picture of a turtle. And now for the hard part. I had to get a picture of me because then I can show at least a little bit of emotion and direct the viewer to the text. Here's the picture that I was able to get. Pretty good. Guys, I have bad news. I can't green screen the wall because my video editor can only do green, red, and blue. Apparently, all this time, I could have put it in a background remover. Okay, well, here's the finished result, and it's already looking so much better than that useless thumbnail. But what did I do? Well, I put text, which, by the way, text is one of the best things you can do for a thumbnail. My favorite font is Rubik, and I also did what little emotion I could without a face. Alright, so here we have garbage thumbnail, and then I just improved it a tiny bit. I don't really think that thumbnail is that good, but oh well. Next, we have a colorless, useless thumbnail with no text. It's just me and Race V4 Awakening, and then I just changed it to something much better with big text, more color so it stands out in dark mode. And it's just the biggest improvement of the video. And anyways, the next few, I just improved a bit. You cannot underestimate the power of a before and after. And this, I just changed the font to Rubik, the best font, by the way. And yeah. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. That's all. If you liked it, please consider subscribing. It helps a lot. And I hope that this video helped you. Bye.